Hey guys, iPro here, and today we're gonna make a working Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge drop test on the snow. Okay guys, so we have Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. I'm so scared, because no one knows what's gonna happen when I drop it. So it's the 4th floor. It's pretty high to try this, and we're gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. Oh crap! I need to run fast. I need to put shoes on. Oh my god. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna check. Oh shit, that was my car keys. Holy fuck, he's here. Oh my god. What? Oh shit. What the crack? Oh my god, what happened? What? What the hell is this? But guys, it survived. Oh my god. What? It survived. Oh my god. So let's go back to home. Okay guys, so I took it home. As you see, it has random white spot here. I don't know how it appeared here. No idea what happened. We have a crack here on the screen. This one, and I didn't spot any, just some scratches here, and no any other. And the big crack on the back is here, and all the back of it is damaged so much, so I need to replace the back. And that's it. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. It was the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge drop test. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Bye.